The Fluke FEV100 connector accessory is your interface for Type 1 socket outlets or J-plugs on a Level 2 charging station. Let's see how it works. First, connect the FEV100 station test adapter to the charger's Type 1 connector and check that the station is correctly wired and secured. Make sure that protective earth is functioning properly using the PE pre-test safety feature. Then, connect the multimeter. It's recommended to use a Fluke 87.5. Check the output voltage and measure the continuity of the PE connector. You can also test GFCI trip time and leak current, troubleshoot and simulate control pilot and PE errors through the simple press of a button. Check if the charging station cuts off the output voltage for each error separately. For more in-depth measurements, you may also want to connect a Fluke scope meter. We always recommend to use a Fluke 120.